So if you don't know, the other night on the live stream, I picked up a lid, a paint lid, and smelt it to see which colour it went on. That, I think I'm going mad. Okay, let's tap into this white. So I'm just going to get plenty on there. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Now this should bring the trees alive. Just think where this snow might sit. It's sticking quite well, considering that's white on black. You can literally change your trees just by doing this. Well, I want that quite dark in there, so we've got some nice snow sat on there. Look at that, eh? I'm going into a bit more white. Good, thanks. Hope you well. Yeah, I'm good. I'm good because I'm painting. I love it. Again, let's just put some little blobs of snow on these. Just some suggestions down the bottom, not too much. Okay, and over here, this one needs one. Don't leave him out. There. Isn't it amazing how, you know, the white really does stick quite well to the black paint, really. Okay, I'm going to blend some of that out. Now I've got the little job of putting some white on these trees over here. I hope you don't get too cold tonight. It's absolutely freezing here. Yeah, I put the heating on in here for like 45 minutes before I came in. My feet have got two pairs of socks on, and my feet are on a cushion. So hopefully, I can feel it getting colder. Because obviously, for you that don't know, I'm sat in my summer house. In the summer, that'd be great, won't it? Just putting some snow on these ones. There, look. Right, so we're just going to drag a bit of this, you see? A bit of that in. And that gives us some instant shadows. Tap into some more white. Right, don't be scared to do, you know, bring a bit in. We're going to do some more blending there. Okay. Okay. Just need a little bit in there, need a steady hand for that little glap. What's that word? Gap. So we're just bringing some of that across as like shadows. There we go. Making it so it goes the way the hill does as well. There we go. Okay, let's put some water in then. Let's think about where this is going to be. We could have him come around sort of right up there. We can just make him come in through. Just trying to get as close as I can to that hill. Okay, you can just see it coming through now. This fan brush is a little bit big for this, but there we go. You can have it as wide or as thin as you like this. You can make the shape of your own river. So we've got a bit of distance going there. It's quite nice the way that's come out. Let's just pull him across. Try and keep this flat as possible, obviously, because it's water, and water lays flat, so you can make all different kinds of, where the ice is meeting the water, look, you can change things. We can maybe have a couple of rocks. Okay, let's put some little rocks in, and maybe there's one that lives here. Just a little rock. We'll drag some snow. Maybe there's another one there. Maybe there's one that lives here. Just on the corner of that bend. Hopefully it will. Managed to pull some snow over this. Okay, it needs one more, doesn't it? Because it doesn't look right with even numbers. Let's go up here. Maybe that one just comes into the river a little bit. Right, we're going to go with the fan brush again, and we're going to pull some. See if we can pull some paint over. Just pull some paint over them. I don't know if that's the right kind of brush actually. Don't know. See if I can do it with this one. Yeah, it's difficult. Just want some snow sitting on top of them. I think the fan brush is probably a little bit better for this, to be honest. But I've got two dirty ones and I didn't want to try it again, but let's just bring some over. Tiny little rocks. Go into some of this greeny snow as well, bring some of that over. Yeah, it's difficult with this brush. Yeah, I should have used the fan brush really. But it's getting there anyway, so. I did some practicing today with techniques and watching videos. I should have my oils end of week. Nice one. Nice one. Yeah, it'd be interesting to see another one. Do post it to me. I'm going to go use that. Where's that fan brush? I don't know how much blue that's got on there from the thingy. Yeah. A little bit of delicate work there. Going with the white again. These are tiny, tiny little rocks. Let's pull that round. See some just in the snow there. Thanks to everyone that's following. Thank you everyone pressing the screen, liking. I'll come back to the comments in a minute. New followers, gifters. Thank you. It's got depth, hasn't it? It's really got depth, considering that was, you know, a black canvas with a green line, and then I've done a white snow line. I've done a white straight snow line, didn't I? And then just put a couple of bumps in. Yeah, quite pleased with the depth, actually. Love it. Thanks, Steve. Thanks, everyone. That's gorgeous. Thank you.